Hey, do you remember that survey that I sent out? I posted it on Facebook. Posted it, sent it in emails to any pool service business owner, just asking what are the biggest challenges in using QuickBooks. And boy, the results were, well, actually, they were about what I expected because my husband and I, we own a pool service business as well. And they were the similar challenges that we had struggled with and overcome. So here come the results. I promised that if I sent out that survey, I would share the top three biggest challenges in a free workshop. And so here you go. Here they are right now. So this is Tax Ready QuickBooks for Pool Service Business Owners. My name is Sharon Birch, and I'm so glad that you're here. So what were those survey results? Well, if you didn't remember that survey, I'll move my head around here. This is a survey that I sent. And for those who of you responded, thank you very much, because I was curious, is this the same challenges? And it was. So I have marked what the majority of people that responded marked below, and we're going to address those today. So stick with me. Not only are we going to address what those common three biggest challenges are, but also how to solve them and how you can get the answers that I struggle to find as well. So the three biggest challenges facing pool service business owners when it comes to using QuickBooks and being ready for the end of the year taxes, which is now, is the following. So I'm going to scroll down. When it comes to using QuickBooks and ready for your tax preparer, what are the three biggest challenges? And most people checkmark the following, with one of them being more predominant than the others. The biggest one that everybody checkmarked was how to customize reports to show pool maintenance labor net profit. That is the same challenge that we had. How do we quickly see how we're doing? And we took it to another level, but I'll show you that in a minute. The other ones that were the top contenders were how to customize reports to show chemical sales and the net profit, how to customize reports to show pool cleaning labor and net profit, and how to document those non-business owner expenses or add backs, right? I mean, if we're in business and we own business, we're going to take advantage of whatever we can within our legal limits, but we also want to show the truth of what we're doing so we know how we're truly doing in our finances. So stick around. I'm going to show you how we figured out how to overcome or to address those challenges. Now, most of you said I tried to figure it out myself. That's me. I tried to figure it out myself. Then I outsourced it to an accountant. And then the accountant didn't understand what I really needed. So yes, they got my tax prep done, but then the rest of the year, I was not getting the reports I needed. So I dug in and I took it to another level. I became a QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor just so I could understand how to do it right for our business. Right? What are the three outcomes that you're looking for when it comes to using QuickBooks? Again, similar responses. The ability to keep your books up to date and ready for tax time. We've got that figured out. And the ability to pull financial reports to make informed business decisions anytime you want. So yes, all of this is possible. Now, just for kicks, how long you've been in the pool cleaning business? Most folks said 4 to 10 years, but we had a little bit of everything in this response. And what version of QuickBooks do you use? And I'm sharing that here because my specialty is in using QuickBooks Online. And I highly recommend it for many reasons. And I guess I can tell you now, and that is that I can access it anywhere from any computer whenever I have an internet connection. And the advantage is when you adopt pool service software, which most people said that they use, you can connect it and integrate it and keep things more automated and up to date. So QuickBooks Online, and one of the big questions that people asked was, well, which version of QuickBooks Online should you use? That's an easy answer. QuickBooks Online Plus. So there are different versions, but Plus is the one you want. And I will show you later why I say it needs to be Plus. Are there cheaper versions? Yes. Will they give you the reports you need? No. So spend the little extra money to do QuickBooks Online Plus. Okay, so that's kind of the big question. So now we're going to move on through, and oh, one more thing. I also saw asked in this report or in this survey, if you were going to get support in overcoming those top three challenges, how would you best want to get that support? And not surprisingly, because we all operate at different hours, independently taking an on demand online course at your own pace was the predominant answer. There were some requests for one on one, but mostly on demand. So, guess what? I decided to dive in and create an on demand course. But we'll talk about that later. But that is a solution that you can opt into. And then the rest of the questions were just, you know, information. So let's move into a few answers that get more specific.